Good morning, this is the latest business news on InstaTV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. The indicator of Germany's economic sentiment is still in negative territory. According to ZEF Center for European Economic Research in Mannheim, in relation to the previous month, investor confidence improved by 7.3 points and reached a level of minus 18.2 points. The indicator posted growth for the first time over the past 4 months. Analysts expected the indicator to rise at a slower pace to minus 19.2 points. The positive ruling of the German Federal Constitutional Court on the European Stability Mechanism paves the way for the end of the Eurozone debt turmoil. The Eurozone crisis turned out to be so baleful that even Germany, the Europe's largest economy, was affected. Be it as it may, it is quite clear that Germany will escape recession. The upbeat news on the ZEF economic sentiment indicator was mostly disregarded by traders. On the New York Stock Exchange, the Euro-US dollar pair closed at the level of $1.30.5. This was the most important forex news presented to you by InstaTV channel. Goodbye.